Hello, I am Liam with MJB Welding Supply, and today we're going to be setting up a 211 Pro. Alright. So when you first open the box, what you're going to find, owner's manual. In the owner's manual, there's going to be your ground clamp, there's a regulator, and they come with a little feeler gauge so you can see what thickness of material you're welding. Your MDX gun. After that, it's just your machine. So these machines are 110 or 220 capable. Inside of the box here, there is a 110 plug. So all you have to do is you screw off this little retainer. This guy comes off, and then there's little arrows on the plug and on the cord. You match the arrows up, plug it in, and then screw the retainer in, plug it into the wall. It's ready to go. All right, people. This is how you make a ground clamp. You turn in a bolt. Miller's always coming out with updates for these machines, so we like to stay in front of that, and we update every machine before it leaves the setup room. That way the customer gets a machine that is up to date and ready to go. So Miller has on pretty much all of their machines now, they call it auto set. So you go in, you'll click auto set, it brings you to this screen, and then you tell it what gas you're running. So typically on MIG for mild steel, you're using 7525, so you'll just click that button. And then wire diameter, we normally set these machines up with 030. So you click that diameter, and then you'll get to material thickness, and you'll scroll down to what material you're welding. We're welding 1/8 inch today. So you'll find your material, same thing, click that button, and then it gives you their recommended settings. Ta-da!